Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add contact to list on the Hubspot. So let's get started. First of all, go on your Hubspot. Now once you are in here, you have to click on the contacts. Once you are in here, you have to search for the contact and click on that contact. Now once you are in, you have to scroll down and click on the list membership. Go on the manage and here you have to click on the add to list. Create a static list. Now you have to click on the new list or any other list that you want, or you can also create a new list. Here you have to give a title to your list name and then you have to click on the next and your new list has been created. So yeah, this is how you can add contact to list on the HubSpot.